People, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name now is Saze Omogiate. Una know as it be for this program, sake of say, na crime and security we talk about for this Ogbonge program. And we don't come today, come tell una some kind story we be say it concern crime and security. Quick, before we take the story proper, I will let una know say Akodija today in don't come out, one go carry some kind news come when we say for our next episode we will knock the story. If you look your screen now, you will see police number. This police number, now the one will be say it concern their control room for Edo State Police Command. If you get any yawa for your area, you will call this number kia. Before you know, police don't deal with you. Come solve the wahala when it be say for that area. My people, make it be say the number when you the screen how now they call. Not be our personal number when we display when in the scroll from the bottom of the screen. We don't get complaint say if una call, una not they tell the police people una correct information. It will be like say una they give them half information. The reason when they let una they know say make una they give direct information sake of say this police number when this screen. So now the thing when we say concern genuinity, because if you can't go tell police give her wrong information, the police go come there, you can't be saying that one when police go to enter all those armed robbers or all those criminal trap, now you can't do. So my people, now because they tell you now, if they ask you now from control room, say how it be, where your house dey, make sure you open up to the police so that then will come still help you now the way it's supposed to be. My people, this other number, now the one way concern Civil Defense Corps. Civil Defense Corps now another special agency will be say government don't put in place when you will see they do police job. Although if they arrest, they will carry the culprit or the person when involved for the crime, carry and give police, make police come finally carry and go court. So this number, you will see take them, make you use your Bible right hand for grant, sake of say it will see help now well. If na yawa when it concern kidnapping, when it concern armed robbery, when it concern all this breaking and entry, if you call this number, then we did the kia can help now solve the matter when it is grand. This other number when it is so, now that way concern NDLEA. NDLEA na people will say the matter na drug matter na really concern them. And these people, if you call them, they don't deal with you wherever you do. Come unravel, come catch these people when we say, then they sell this illicit drug when we say we don't want for Nigeria. Then this other number. Now the number where we say concern fire service. You will the one that say what it concern fire, concern crime. It concern crime where we say if fire enter your house, you don't burn everything, and sake of say not be say the fire, it just come like that. If you be say a person put the fire, if you be say the fire na accident, and it can't burn your property, it can't even burn life. You not say you don't take life with that. So that is why we try to make people dey alert. Now make us they give this information so that they will write them down, write the number down in case any yawa they then we quickly call this fire service so that they will use that their big motto, can't use the water we dey inside, can't quench the fire anywhere when in day. Yes, so my people, the other number, so when they see, now that we concern corona. We hear say coronavirus, you don't see day, it never still come out for our country. And I make us, say, make everybody day at alert. Make it be say, in case any yawa, you see anybody when it be say, you not too day well, it can't be like say, get this symptom. When we always they talk for TV, they talk for everywhere. Then you will just call this number. Before you know, they will come use the ambulance, carry them for free. The person will pay, carry and go where they will treat them. Before you know, the team don't come off for body. And we also want to let them know, say, yes, so vaccine day, according to government, according to the way that they announce them now, say that vaccine not be to cure corona. Now for person when you be say, as you don't take them now, in case the corona come be like say enter body, you not go be the one when you go be say you kill that person as they keep other people pata. But he go there, then from there maybe they feel from come there come they treat them kia. Then it not mean so because you take vaccine, say we fit still trap the corona, or even if you get the corona, e not do you anything. Person when you be say e near you, when you be say the thing dey your body, not do you anything. Not me say that person no go fit still carry corona from you. So that is why we still dey tell people make them maintain that normal distancing, make them maintain that normal rules wey be say government say cover your mouth, cover your nose, so that you no go fit contact this matter. Or even if you get am, you no go fit transfer and give the other person when e be say e no get am. So my people, make we go for a small break. When we come back, we will tell una the tori proper.
Easyga, make you remove your hand for bad thing. Remember say every day for the thief, but one day for the owner.
My people, the first story we will get for now for today. Now the story when be say it can concern some persons when be say they don't know how to do the right thing, they can't take the laws into their hand. It can't be say Edo State Police Command come parade one young man when be say, hey, say in the drive motor take the hustle. But this time around, he can't say in get work when he be say he will concern to call a military or soldier men when they can't do guide. Now he can't tell this friend. Now his friend can't carry uniform. Soldier man uniform can't give him. He can't wear him, can't go the same place when he want to go do the job. My people, when he can't reach there, he can't meet other soldier men when he be say, then too, na soldier men proper. Now they can't throw their signal, they can't use some kind of command. When he be say they know themselves, they use and greet this man. At the great time now, Oga don't know where to start, he don't know where to end. Now they can't say this man so na fake soldier man na him be. And when we come ask question, now for them call Pumat, come begin to tell us the story, say na a friend, na him give a uniform. So now that uniform, he be one go to use and hustle. Say he want go do security for somewhere. Now people make we hear from this young man, make he tell us in story.
Joseph Kassam.
Joseph.
Yes, sir.
Hassan.
Kassam. Yes, sir.
You are from where?
I'm from Plateau State.
Plateau State.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing in Benin?
At the drive, I get promoted to the drive car. Yes,
They say you be army.
yes, sir. The guy what happened is one of my friends.
They
Yes.
say you be army. You be army.
No, I'm not an sir.
Okay. How you got to get this?
Yes, one of my friends soldier. The guy named Frank. So he just called me, he called me on Saturday. Say maybe because him give me this. Say maybe wear am, when we go Edo hotel. He say me with some legionnaires. So I say he say maybe wear this one, maybe wear this one. He say no, maybe not what, maybe wear. Let me know what. I say if I wear this thing, now another thing because me know soldier. He tell me no can wear any uniform. So if you see the day with me, if they arrest me now, you will tell you defend me.
You say make you wear a suit.
The other soldier.
Na soldier be.
Yes, na soldier. So I tell her like that. Now he say let me wear am. So now we are wear am we come out. We reach Uniqlo. No, Edo hotel. As we reach the Edo hotel, now I see me. They ask me, say, I be soldier. I say, me. They say, why do you wear this one? I tell them, say, na Frank, give me. He say, me wear go the party because the legionnaires where they carry them there. Those legionnaires say, if me no wear this one, they will understand, say, na the legionnaire because they pay money for soldiers. Yes, yeah. So when they come call am, they come because I want to give them the soldier number. They come call am, and the soldier say, yeah, he still explain for them. But that's why he reach when the carry come.
Okay. How much they give you?
They never give me one number.
But how much they promise you they give you?
The crowd tell me if we finish if we go for occasion for peace, guys, if we go for the scroll of the peace finish, and he will give me something, but he never give me one number. I never.
So somebody will tell you say make you wear soldier uniform, you should wear.
Salute.
Well, somebody says they say part of it is say they into kidnapping at all.
No, sir. I never dey into kidnapping one day. All my family and my wife dey dey that driving na dey feed them. If no be because of this guy wey put me for this thing, I never one day put dey into problem.
How they share finish?
How the share with you?
Then na him give me that time.
The Joseph,
The Frank.
the soldier guy.
Yes, sir.
He don't come check on you now since they arrest you.
No, him dey Plateau State.
He dey plantation.
They call am say make him come see wetin dey happen. He no go come.
So if they Plateau State, how you come take get the shirt?
Him dey Benin na Benin guy, so him live for school leave because him dey school for Benue. So him na Benin boy. So na when we take know each other for we don go there.
Wetin be him name?
Frank.
Yeah? Frank who?
I no know the surname.
Okay. Wetin be your advice to other people when you wan wear soldier uniform when dem no be soldier?
Really, my own advice is that no good at all. You no suppose to wear am. Even me too, I regret to wear am because my body as I dey take enter me well well. They really deal with me well well. So I dey advise any person wey no be soldier, I dey advise to wear this thing because it's very dangerous. Me too, I no know say e dey danger me. But I want to explain to everybody, if you know say you are a soldier, you no be soldier, no wear am. Okay, my advice.
My people una don hear. So now make we dey tell everybody for this our program say make una remove am for batting on the pay. When you know say you no be soldier man, why you go wear soldier man uniform say you wan take am go dey disguise? E no good. And this now na eye opener to many people wey be say dem dey fake plenty things. Some go fake say dem be police, some go fake say na so and so place dem dey work, whereas nothing like that. So make una learn now, make una remove am for batting because batting no good. My people, the second tori for today na the one wey come still concern some illegal vigilante when e be say dem come go place wey dem no suppose go dey shoot gun sake of say the person wey dem follow go the event, that one say make dem throway, make e be say the people wey dey the area know say im don come. Na dem throway true. As dem throway, na the other true vigilante when e be say that one, those ones na im dey really recognize, all those ones too come see throway. As all those civil defence come see throway, so everywhere come get as e be. Na person wey e be say e dey for that area when e be say he come hear say gun dey do twa for everywhere, na he come contact some kind armed forces when e be say im fit get im number. Na those soldier men come when they come they come get to know say some vigilante dey throway gun for this side while civil defence corps dey throway another gun for the other side. At the tail end when they come go the scene now, they come discover say some of the vigilante na illegal, na they come. So as e come be like that, now they come arrest those vigilante, they come carry them go give police. Make we hear from the vigilante, make we hear how they narrate their story.
Our officer don't do me, so those my men wey go that place. Ma go tell them, let them come up for them. So that place where dem dey, army go arrest them. Say dem dey shoot gun for them. I mean, come. As me come now, as me just dey come, I never even see them. Na army dey come. Na me be first person wey army see. Na me carry this gun, this black one, this single barrel. I take the guide for Observer newspaper. Okay. So I say, army come now. Army say, na we dey shoot gun. I say no. I know they shoot gun. They no allow me display. Then I dey first collect the gun. I dey say where the people say where our people were there, and I say really our people there, but I never see them. Me and them call me and pass me this my second. So they take collect all the arm for our hand, come carry us go their drone since on Saturday. Okay. Because now on Saturday that thing happen. So we can't reach day before yesterday. They can't carry us on here.
Yeah, but they say na illegal dating na do.
You say it all, Oga. You say it all, Oga.
You say it tell Oga.
Yeah.
You no confirm for your Oga before he carry you follow body?
No.
Okay, wetin be your advice to other vigilante? Because now we know say una dey do good work, but some persons wan call dey spoil una work. How you dey feel now?
Anybody wey do work wey oga no permit am na illegal true and e no good. But wetin I notice for there, after when they don carry our gun, one man come meet us, he wear native brown. They ask us whether we know who him be. I say no, I no know who he be. He say him get level. That army wey come carry our gun, so him fit call them, make dem return am. Say na him call them, say make dem come. Say vigilante fuck am up. Vigilante fuck am up for okada. Say that is why as dey shoot for here, they don see as an opportunity to treat us wetin vigilante do am. So na me dey tell am say, but you know say no be we dey shoot the gun, na civil defence na dem dey shoot gun. Na true say our person don shoot, but since wey dey take warn am say make e no shoot again, e no shoot. When me come sef, me never see dem say dey shoot. He say make we no worry, he go call dem, make dem give us the gun back. True he come make call. He come direct us for military hospital, their hospital. Say make we go collect am for there. We go there. When we reach there, he no even know say the matter don pass like that. Say the thing no even dey their hospital again. They don carry am go for brigade. So when we reach there, the army wey meet for gate, we come explain to them. And they say the thing don pass like that. Say who call the person wey make call? Say who him call or guy call direct. Say as make here advise us, make we no just go for brigade like this. Say they go too beat us. Make we go call person wey be say he get level. We come go back to that place. We come meet the guy. Come tell am say see so. And the guy say whether na true say the thing don go for brigade. Say yes. And the guy say no, he no get power for that one. Now he enter motor drive comot. So he say.
Wetin be your friend? Okay, why you call the shoot gun now?
Oga, when we reach the place of the dance, so after they don tank finish, so you come see me, I shoot the person wey carry me go, I come fire one. Then young people come meet me say, me I no fire again, say dey close to military clinic for there. I come say, I no even, na dey say I know, I for no even, I come rest. So they come dey dance. As they dey dance, they go never take so wey the fence come. They come fire once they enter, they come go sit down. So inside that matter, so as they sit down, me come dey follow the bros wey be say me cut us. That's that only. As we dey make dey follow am, get where they come spray junior brother money. So he come say make me go there because the money wey they spray that junior brother e big. He come say me bounce be carry that money. That junior brother come say me bounce be carry that money comot. Na brother come say no, he no fit allow me bounce carry am. Bounce fit carry am, carry that money comot. Make me help am stay that place. Let me come sit down. As me sit down, me see say me. As me sit down, me like say I determine. I come say abeg me I take malt because I never eat since that morning time. Me I say me I take malt, me I drink. Me all dey open the malt, dey drink am finish. Na me I colleague come say soldier talk the sound gun for you. And I say wetin happen again? Say no, say they fight. Na say no be you, na this civil defence na fire just now, no be you. Come say okay, when me come ask am say wey those soldiers say they dey outside. Let me come to follow them. Those soldiers dey enter inside the drink. So as we dey go now, we come give them compliments. They come answer me, they say wetin happen. I tell them say oga no be you, say mo come, mo we talk. Now we go outside, see where my arms, then I give am this table guy. As I give am, say okay, no problem. We enter their motor, say mo come down. Mo no enter their motor, mo come there for military clinic. Now I say okay, no problem. Based on my phone call, because I want to say me I mo just take cab for that road, go take go the place. As we reach there, I come say they don reach, but they no dey there now. Mo go their first brigade. I come say, oh, may I find battery to put for my phone for my friend's hand for them, move for go the place. So never till now me come go meet the bros. Bros, you say mo go just now, but they no dey there. The bros begin dey insult me, confuse the bros when they talk about just now. We say vigilante fuck am up for front of Kada. See wetin dey do am when they drive, they come for night. Come bring the phone, come and then come over second picture. put for the bros for me I go say bros even if say those ones do you bad no be me do am if I do you bad I no fit see you say no the guy come dey explain yourself to me then I say make you no pass or one or two things I come say me I shut up all of us na I say no bros.
Okay, from the look of this now, you say they set you up now. Now the man I set you up.
Na him call soldier na wetin talk na him call soldier say make go soldier come carry us as dem carry us finish we even go meet am say bros see you he say make we go no go say he go call those soldier back make dem give us our.
But they still say they don't confirm for your office say na illegal duty you go na true.
Oga yes na truth say na illegal duty I wish I still reach office I for still tell oga I tell am say I dey go my person burial based on wetin him drink e no big reach wey oga go take go I wish say me I still go na wetin dem still give me I for still give oga say oga see where I go see where I go cover see the drink and even the food everything wey dem bring no of us don even test am.
But you for tell your oga before you comot.
I briefed my wife say I dey go my person burial based on that day now we do general parade round that ring road.
Okay, now as this matter come happen so wetin be your wetin be your advice to fellow vigilante when you wan go illegal duty?
Oga my advice to them make dem no try and fish no good I wish say e good go for no do like this my advice to any uniform personnel whether vigilante or any uniform personnel wey know say na their CP or their general no know about that place may no go if you go na the penalty.
My people now don't hear am so. You know say me I first talk am say this vigilante na good thing o but make e no come be say some people when e be say their head not dey house when e be say they no know their left from right when e be say sake of say because of money dem go come dey abuse this opportunity wey dem get one take hustle. Now these people now they don't go the wrong corner when e be say they not suppose enter and hand don meet them police don gbab them they don dey police net. Now if they carry them go court now you come be saying another matter then they will go the face. While my people who they listen to this program they view this our program make una dey take sense make una dey try make una dey learn from this program sake of say bad thing no good so una go dey remove hand for bad thing small small. The third tori for today na the suspected kidnappers when e be say police don catch as we dey talk so Edo State Police Command don parade them. These people if you really look them then they comot for their state come dey commit atrocity for Edo State sake of say people only dey Edo State wey be their friend na dey invite them make dem come dey do this business when e be say e no dey augur well for this state. These three persons wey dey parade so dem no be from Edo State at all but sake of say because dem feel say the business don dey lucrative for Edo State the business of kidnapping na dem come kukuma call themselves dem come gather come begin dey do small kidnapping. And if you hear the money wey they say that they see for the kidnapping, tertiary money, 100, 150,000. So because of that kind of small money, then can they put their hand for the law, sake of say, them feel say nothing will happen. But now, yawa don't happen, police don't catch them. Make we hear from them.
They don't carry them go boost. That man when you tell them, then I know this.
How many people you just kidnap?
Nah, only that man.
Only that man.
One and only big one, no go do am down.
Okay, no do another one.
Before na go police I go do am to audience to open am. Wetin I put am go do am inside that police there.
Wetin carry you come here? Kidnapping. For where? For Kofi. How old you be? How old you be?
For outside quarter.
No. Your age, how many years you dey?
Me?
So you never count how many years you dey? Wetin make you go do kidnapping? Wetin make you dey do kidnapping?
Na big man dey call me.
Na him call you? Na your brother?
No.
Who be to you?
Na for cause of the system.
Na for hustle, na for meat.
You do food abroad.
Kula, una dey clear grass. Una dey do clear them. So wetin come make you dey do kidnapping?
That one they know bush. He tell me say no, I go there. Inside all the.
So na kidnapping carry you son.
Na kidnapping na go do. We go in for na kula the do. Say that they no go kidnapping.
How many people na don kidnap? One person. How much na talk collect? 150. How much you want?
20,000.
Na 20,000 they give you.
Shey una don hear from these people. These people come from another state, come dey commit this atrocity for Edo State. And if you even hear wetin they say that they collect, tertiary money will not reach anything. Although to some persons, if we say not reach anything, but to these people, they feel say na big money, that make them they involve themselves for all those kind of atrocity. My people, make una remove am for bad thing no dey pay. Then the other one when e be say we get for today, na the one wey be say e come concern Boko Haram. Police don nab some people when e be say them be part of people when they sponsor, they support Boko Haram. This one come happen when we say intelligence for Niger come nab this man when he be say he come from Chad. Now they supply Boko Haram drugs. Too come involved for some of the atrocity when he be say Boko Haram they carry out from within our environment. We can still hear say this man he don still confess so say some other sponsors when he be say they behind Boko Haram they will soon they name them. But first and foremost, they don't talk, say they will do investigation, come find out how they will take cash these people, nab all of them, they come begin confess all the people will be say that they support Boko Haram. My people, this now where it be say we will draw today's curtain for this program. My people, in case you dey enter house, make you look your left, look your right. Make you not just dey waka as if say nothing dey happen. Because the first security na you. So when you don't look at your left, your right, look your front, look your back, she say nothing there, then you will open your door or your gate, enter jejely. Then my people, if you dey drive, motor give you for back, not stop, make you find better place when you be say people dey stop so that you go check wetin happen to your motor. Otherwise, if you stop, those people now, we don dey hear say, then they use tire, they use motor, they hit your back bumper small, so that you too will come feel am and you will come say, okay, make you park. As you dey park, na so that they kidnap the person, carry comot. And we don still hear say, another tactics dey wey be say, then they sit dey cash or kidnap, they rob people when be say they get the car owner. When you be say if you dey go for road, you hear say something knock your windscreen, make you no on your wiper, make you just dey drive dey go. When you reach where people dey, you go stop, constantly check wetin happen to your screen. Otherwise, if you say make you on your wiper, say make you dey clean am, before you know, you don clean everything, take use and wipe the whole screen. You see say, if you dey drive, you no come see where you dey go. Either you come off for road, go for inside hole, or you go jam any object when you be say e dey front, sake of say you don dey see where you dey go. My people, that na the small or the main advice when I wan give una for today's program. My name na Osaze Omogiate. My people, una bye bye.